Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Srimati Alka Narayan Patekar from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue study of Mathematics Standard 8, Chapter 3, Indices and Cube Root, Part 3. Practice set 3.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table. Here numbers are given in index form and we have to write the meaning of the number in two ways, that is power of the root and root of the power. First example, 225 raised to 3 upon 2 means here in this example 225 is the base and 3 upon 2 is the index, in which 3 is power and 2 is a root of the given number. So we can write this in power of the root. Here you observe the number and which is the power. Numerator of the fraction is a power, that is 3. 3 is nothing but a cube. Therefore answer is cube of. What is the root? 2 is a root, square root of 225, and in another way root of the power, that is in this first we will take a denominator and then power. Denominator is 2 means square, here square root of, which is the power, 3 is the power, so cube of 225. Example number 2, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. You observe the example, which is the base. Correct, 45 is the base and 4 upon 5 is the index, in which 4 is the power and 5 is the root. So first we will write power of the root. So first you take the power means numerator of the fraction, that is 4 means fourth power of root is 5, that is fifth root of 45. In another way, root of the power. First we will take root. Which is the root? Here 5 is the root. So fifth root of fourth power of 45. Example 3. 81 raised to 6 upon 7. 81 is the base, 6 upon 7 is the index, 6 is a power and 7 is the root. So in power of the root form, 6th is a power, so 6th power of 7 is the root, that is 7th root of 81. In root of the power way, which is the root, 7 is the root, so 7th root of 6th power of 81. Correct? Example 4, 100 raised to 4 upon 10. Here 4 is the power and 10 is the root of the given number 100. First we will write a power of the root, which is the power. Correct, 4 is the power. So fourth power of, which is the root, 10 is the root. So 10th root of 100. In another way, first we will take root, which is the root, 10 is the root. So 10th root of fourth power of 100. Example 5, 21 raised to 3 upon 7. Which is the power? Correct, 3 is a power and 7 is a root. So power of the root is 3 means cube of, what is the root? 7th. Correct, 7th root of 21, and in root of the power type, which is the root, 7 is the root. So 7th root of cube of 21. Question number 2. Write the following numbers into form of rational indices. हे नंबर दिलेले आहे ते नंबर आपल्याला इंडायसेस रॅशनल इंडायसेस फॉर्म मध्ये म्हणजेच इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ फिफ्थ पॉवर ऑफ 121. आपल्याला माहित आहे रॅशनल इंडायसेस म्हणजे m/n. जो रूट नंबर आहे तो रूट हा नेहमी डिनॉमिनेटरला घेणार आहे आणि पॉवर हा नंबर नेहमी आपण न्यूमरेटरला घेणार आहे. फर्स्ट यू राईट द बेस अँड देन इंडेक्स इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रॅक्शन. Power is at the numerator place and root is at the denominator place. So you observe the example square root of fifth power of 121. So 121 is the base. Which is the power? So fifth power means index is fifth upon. Which is the root? Square is the root. So answer is 121 raised to fifth power upon square root means 5 upon 2. Fifth power and square root. So power is at the numerator place of the index and root is at the denominator place of the index. So next example. Cube of fourth root of 324. Here 324 is the base, which is the power. Cube is the power. Cube means nothing but 3. And denominator of the index is fourth root means denominator is 4. So answer is 324 raised to 3 upon 4 means 3 is the power and 4 is the root. Okay, समजलं सर्वांना? Now example 3. Fifth root of square of 264. First write base, that is base is 264. Which is the power? Square is the power. Square means 2 is the power. And which is the root? Fifth root means 5 is the root. Therefore answer is 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Here 2 is a power and 5 is the root. Example 4. Cube of cube root of 3. Here 3 is the base. Which is the power? Cube means 3 is the power and cube root. Also root is also cube, that is 3. So answer is 3 raised to 3 upon 3. Here 3 is base, 3 also power and 3 also root. So answer is 3 raised to 3 upon 3. If you like this video, then like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.